As you all know, the NVMe SSD is super fast. Um, what the endurance for a 4 terabyte is for the 2 terabytes is 400 terabyte. This is endurance. So the real question is that how much I have used up to right now within like last 6 months. Last 6 months I have used like 587 GB. Okay, 707 how to say like 700 7195 GB, or you can say like 7.195 terabyte I have used. So let me check the endurance rating right now. It's 400 terabyte, right? It's very simple. I mean, 100 divided by 400 terabyte endurance, okay, times 7.195. So up to right now I use only 1.7%. 1.7%, okay. If we make it 100% divided by 1.7%, so I can use it like 58 times. So which mean that I use 1.71% in 6 months. That it mean that I can easily, for like, let's make it like 1 year, I can use up to 30 years to finish this one. I hope you get it. For a 2 terabyte I can easily use up to 30 years, but you see this one is less. If you just going to use for the 512 GB, then it's like 4 times less, right? 30 year divided by 4, 7.5 year, and this one will be like how much, like 15 years. So you don't have to worry about it. This is the real world endurance. You see, you can easily do the math. This uses for my last 6 months. Again, 7195 GB equal to 7.1. You can easily, I can do it like TB into, sorry, GB into S, uh, TB. Let me just put 7195, or you can do the times. I hope you get the answer. So yeah, it was me, Geek. Subscribe and bye.